Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to find Krispy Kreme locations near you. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Krispy Kreme application, which of course I've done right here. Now, where can you find Krispy Kreme app? You can find it on Apple Store or you can find it on Google Play Store. Launch any of those applications, locate the search bar, and in the search bar type Krispy Kreme. Having done that, it's going to take you right into the application itself, where you're going to be asked to either log in or to sign up by creating a new account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Krispy Kreme. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to find Krispy Kreme locations near you. From this homepage, head over to the bottom of your screen. You're going to find Home, Rewards, Other, Stores, and Gifts. Now, I'd like you to click on Stores. And here it takes you to this window. Find your nearest Krispy Kreme store. In the search bar right here, this communications bar, you can enter your town, location, or your postcode, and go ahead and click on Find a Store. So I'm going to enter a postcode here. So let's say this. So click on that and click on Find a Store. So you have the stores near you. Krispy Kreme Baker Street, here's the location. You have Sainsbury, London, Eastern Regent's Place. You have Tesco, Eastern Road Express, and you have all of this. So you can see all of these stores available. So you can scroll the way down till you find the one that is very close to you. Of course, you're going to find the addresses next, just right below the name of the store. So the address is actually going to help your search. So I can go all the way back and take it back to stores. And here you can now use my location. That if you don't want to enter your town, location, or postcode manually, go ahead and use my location. So you can click on use my location, and you're going to have to allow Krispy Kreme to access your device location. And let's say while using the application, you're definitely going to find they're going to display the stores available for you using your location. Now, my situation is quite complicated because I'm using VPN, but if they have access to your map and to your location, they're going to definitely display the stores that are close to you using your location. So this is pretty much how you can find Krispy Kreme locations near you. You can go by the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.